No, good planning, good planning.
Robin told me, come on a bank holiday. Well done, Robin. So it just leads me to present this trophy. It was a very, very close run thing yesterday. It was a very, very close run, 27-17.
It's open for 70 people next year, so we can win them 35-20.
Well, I've just heard that Keith's looking back into his roots because apparently if your grandmother was born up north, you can play with the northern team.
We're getting on a Scottish FA now, anyway.
But no, you'll all agree it's been a good couple of days, and I'd just like to present this trophy, the Torres Plains Golf Society Ryder Cup trophy to Mr. Steve Monsey, the Northern captain.
Oh mate, you're right. You Northern twat! I say you Northern twat!
Well, Neil's done
It'll be on the screen up the top there.
I can't even believe it!
Just be quiet, please.
Right. No, that says winner's speech on the top there.
I feel I have to resign as captain. Recent poor results. I feel I've been put under a lot of pressure from the director of Golf, Neil. Nine players I really didn't want, i.e. Matt and Martin.
Fuck you!
I understand the pressure that Morano at Marino.
What?
Experience the same. My family life has been very clean, no bad media, no coverage apart from wearing black socks with sandals on one occasion. I apologise to my team.
Stand underpants.
I've been offered a top job by the captain at Torquepada. Except tomorrow I will be saying my goodbye to my team, except Matt and fucking Mark.
Oh, fuck off!
In the future, I'd like to thank all my family for the help they've given me over the last 2 years. Thank you very much.
Oh, excellent. I've got that all on video.
If Ricky takes a big bang round Malaga next week going, keep Cobby, I might stay.
Hey,
How'd you follow that?
Yeah, follow up.
I follow that by saying,
You're not
the
retired.
Northern team, please raise your glasses because we've won again! He's another chap, I know, but
And I'm moving to Northern Spain next year.
Sounded like yourself, right? Sounded like an
I used to live in North London, does that qualify me?
Thank you for everybody who came here, especially. What's that, Ben? Beers are on, Ben.
Cheers, mate.
Somebody give you the go.
Len's going to make a comment.
Hang on, listen.
Socks and sandals are alright. No, they're not.
Gentlemen, let's be honest, 2 days, absolutely superb company.
Yeah.